So I just sandbag the back door because I don't want to be stuck like last time in the middle of the night. I'm trying to... It was up to the door before, but this is what I mean. Put this there. Plastic on the outside. Hopefully, if it does flood, it doesn't go higher than that. Is it weird that I kind of want it to flood just a little bit? Just to see if it works. Oh, look at little waterfalls. All the runoff from the other blocks, all coming into Nicole's pool. Oops, sorry. I'll tell you what, those $4 gumboots, good investment. I'll do the front door later. Maybe I'll do that in the middle of the night. I don't know. Okay, that's it. Bye.